Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq, the sixth Imam of Ahlul Bayt, wasn't just a spiritual guide, he was the teacher of over 4,000 students, spreading knowledge across sciences, philosophy and theology. Among his most renowned students was Jabir ibn Hayyan, the father of chemistry. His groundbreaking works in alchemy laid the foundation for modern science. Then came Hayyan ibn al-Hakam, a master of theology and logic, famous for defending the concept of imamat through rational arguments. Zurara ibn Ayyun, a pioneer in Islamic jurisprudence, transmitted hundreds of narrations and shaped early Shia fiqh. Mufaddal ibn Umar was known for his deep discussions on creation and metaphysics, even compiling the famous book Tawhid al-Mufaddal. These were not ordinary students, they were intellectual beacons shaped by an imam who united faith and reason.